Hey, Skippy here. I'm at Legitimate Farms. You probably slept in, but I've been working at the farm all morning. Let me show you what we got going on. Ooh. Alright, so this is the planting area. We got this cocoa, we got these empty pots, we have scales for seeds and everything like that. Different scoops. I filled up all these pots with soil. Gonna plant seeds in those today. Yep, here's our badass sink. Got some storage here. Stuff that you guys don't need to know on this board. Here's all our seeds. When things get planted, they go onto these shelves. We got all these seeds here. Cucumbers, beans, corn, different beans. We got pumpkins. Squash. Did I say squash? We got dill. Kale. Peppers. All sorts of different stuff here. Got these things growing down here. Let's check out in the tents. That's the main attraction, right? Let's see. Here we are in the tents. Yes. Now you can see why growing vertically at Legitimate Farms, we beat out everyone else. Other farms with their greenhouses. Oh yeah, so let's see what we actually got going on. We got sunflowers here. What's this one? Russet potatoes, I believe this one is. This is some turnip. That's not doing too great. What would we got up here? Got all these peas. Those are looking good. Let's see, there's a rosemary back there. Some tomatoes. Cucumbers. Let's see what we got here. I'm not sure what St. David is. John planted a lot of these. These look like beets. This looks like some kind of brassica, right? Right? Oh, it probably says on this sign, Sugar Baby. Oh, so these are beans, I believe? Yes. I should know, right? Yeah, what's going on over here? Got some tomatoes. Peppers. Yeah. Lots of cool stuff going on. Sorry, the lighting's kind of funky in here. These big cucumber plants going on down here, those are looking good. Got some interesting things here. Golden potato. Tray of brassicas starting to pop up. Got these guys over here. This plant here looks nice. Let's check out the other tent. Got a bunch of stuff going on this tent too. Yeah, this tent looks great in here. Wow, everything is looking so good in here. Got beans up here. Oh, these are cukes. Looking great. These are strawberries. Got some strawberries going on. If I point the camera down, it should help the lighting. Tomatoes over here. We got these beans. Oh, these are peas. These are peas. They're going to be growing on these. I think these are trellises. Got some basil. A lot of basil. Got a bunch of lettuce here. You guys gotta buy this lettuce because it's starting to drink a lot of water. Hard to keep up with watering it. Some squashes over here. All these guys. Cabbages. Some more peas. More plants down here. Yep. Because we're pros. Alright, so yeah, Legitimate Farms. Feels good. It's a great day today. Everything's going great here on the farm. So yeah, go to legitimatefarms.com. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram. Hit us up, email us, call us. We'd love to hear from you. And we have all these great things for you and your garden. Great. Yeah.